Hey, so if you are in Google Classroom and you go to our Global Studies page, go up to classwork, and then if you go to our class information section, there is a posting that has Google Slide or daily slides, excuse me, and that will bring you to the daily slides that we use in class. And then you will need to scroll to, oh, it's thinking. Give it a second. There we go. So this is what we're going to do today. So you'll need to scroll down until you hit gold from last week. Thursday was the 29th and Friday was the 30th. The first thing we did was we did part 2 of our Create a Culture. I apologize, a lot of these things have similar names. I did not think it through. Again, I have learned a lot about how I want to use this project in the future. So you are going to do Create a Culture Part 2. You'll need to make a copy of this document, and you're looking at your Create a Culture and what you have, and then I just want you to pick 3. So I know this says 6, but just pick 3. 3 different aspects of your culture, and use one to explain how it shows a belief. So maybe you choose a holiday, and how does your holiday in your culture show something that your culture believes? And then with your second aspect, you're going to show how it shows a value in your culture. And your third aspect, you're going to show how it shows behaviors in your culture. So how do these parts of your culture, and again, just pick 3, how do they show some beliefs, values, or behaviors? Because remember, kind of a definition that we've been working with is that culture is a shared system of meanings, beliefs, values, and behaviors which help us interpret our experiences. So that was what we did on Thursday of last week, and now I'm going to go back to our daily slides. On Friday of last week, we started Country and Culture Jigsaw. So it is posted if you go back to Google Classroom and you scroll to Culture. It's posted right here, and you have directions. You're going to pick your own country. So we are still looking at culture, but you're now looking at like a real country or a real culture in the world. Like you could point to the location of it on a globe. You're going to pick your own country. Since it's just 2 of you in class, you have free reign. Pick any country you want other than the Netherlands. And then you have directions in this packet. You are with your country, you are going to research the geography, so find some of this information. You are going to...
Please excuse the interruption.
Sorry.
You have a minute, Isaac Lumber.
For your country that you have chosen, you are going to research some of the culture, so get some of this information for the culture. And then you're going to research the government for your country. So what kind of government does it have? Optional, fun, and unique facts, totally up to you. For government, culture, and geography, focus on finding 3 pieces of information for each. I know that you've missed a lot, so just focus on 3. I'm asking that you put it into a Google slideshow. There is a template Google slideshow right here for you. So you can open this up, make a copy, and then I'll quickly add that you do at least 3 pieces of information for geography, for culture, and for government. I will ask that you share this with me, because what we are doing this week will I'll need that. So this week we're going to get the culture you created into a Google slideshow, and then I'm going to take your culture that you created, your country that you've researched, take both of those slideshows, put them together into one, and then we're going to have a big virtual culture fair. It's going to be great. One last thing for your jigsaw. If you open this document, it has links to 3 good resources to use: the CIA World Factbook, Culturegrams, use the World Edition, the username and password are right here, and then Fact Monster is also good. Let me get back to our slides. So that's what we did last week, and then I'll preview what we're doing for this week. You're going to share your country and culture jigsaw slides with me, and then you have, we are going to put your Create a Culture together in a slideshow. There's a template for you. And then tomorrow in class, we're going to do the virtual culture fair, and you're going to do the assessment, and you will have all class to do it. Don't worry about it. So that is what we did last week and how it feeds into what we're doing this week. If you have any other questions, let me know. Yeah, I'll be on my email all day.